Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to migrate your website using cPanel. The first step is to move your website from your old server. Log into your old cPanel account. Click on the File Manager in the Files section. Most hosting sites have a folder called Public HTML in which your server keeps all website files. Double-click the folder to view all files on your site. Now it's time to download everything here. Website folders can contain thousands of files. Downloading them all individually or even in bulk via FTP is too slow. To upload your website in cPanel, we will compress everything inside the folder into a single file and then download it. To do this, click the Select All checkbox. Now, right-click anywhere inside the selection and choose Compress from the drop-down box. You'll get a dialog box asking you to confirm the compression. Press Compress Files after choosing the zip option, and this will compress everything into a single zip file. After the compression, select the zipped file in the same directory, and choose Download. This will download the compressed file on your computer. Now let's recreate the new site in your new cPanel. Log into your new cPanel on your new server. Continue to access the File Manager. Select the public HTML folder. Now click Upload at the top of the window. This will show you a new window. Next, click on the Select File button, and in the resulting file dialog box, select the compressed zip file you created in step 1. This will upload your website to your new cPanel. It may take a while depending on the size of your site. Once the progress bar has finished, you can click to go back. You might be puzzled to see that the file hasn't yet appeared in the folder, but that's because the view hasn't refreshed. Just reload the folder and your compressed file will now appear. Right-click the folder and select Extract. This will ask you for a confirmation of the location. Make sure that you're extracting everything into the right folder and click Extract Files. Once that's done, it'll show you a list of files compressed. Like before, reload the interface and all your new files will have appeared in the new folder. This is how you upload your website in cPanel. To upload your website in your new cPanel, you need to move the database as well. First, you need to export your database from your old cPanel. Back to your old cPanel. You need to find out what the name of your current database is. If you're using WordPress, open the root of your website and look for the wp-config.php file. This file contains all the essential connection details for WordPress, including the database name. Next, search for the phpMyAdmin icon in the Databases section. This will log you into all the databases connected to your account. On the left-hand side, find the database name that you want to move and click on it. Once the database on the left is selected, see the tabs on top and click on Export. The default settings are fine. Click the Export button at the bottom. This will initiate a download of your database to the desktop in the form of a text file. Depending on the size of your database, it may take a few minutes. Next, you need to import your database to your new cPanel. Before importing our data, we first need to explicitly create a new database on your new cPanel. Now, back to your new cPanel and click Manage My Databases in the Databases section. This will bring up the database creation dialog box. As you can see, it's divided into 2 sections and the first one is selected automatically for you. This is done for security reasons to ensure that all databases don't have easily guessable names. Enter a suffix for the new database. It could be anything, or you might choose to use the suffix of the old name. Click Create Database and you're done. Go back to your cPanel login screen and scroll down to find the phpMyAdmin icon. Like before, this will log you into your database section and you should now see the new database you created on the left-hand side. Click to select it. Now, click on the Import button. Continue to select Choose File. Click it, and select the SQL file you downloaded. Once you're done, click Import. This will initiate the import of the file and if all goes well, You should see a success screen afterward like the following. Finally, you need to ensure that your new installation of WordPress is updated with the database name. Now, on your new cPanel, navigate to your wp-config.php file. And as you see, replace whatever database name was there with your new one. Remember the prefix and the suffix. You can get the 3 information you need to change in the Manage My Databases section. Now, the final step is to test to see if the website you transfer is working.